This brand new passive crypto miner is on pre-order, and at a cost of $97 after the discount that I give you, it's earning 647 FRI tokens per day. At today's price is 0.0028. That's $1 a day. If you multiply that over the month, that's $54 a month, which makes it one of the cheapest at 97 and most profitable passive crypto miners available. In this video, I'm going to run through that and all of the new unreleased miners from Fry's Crypto, and eventually I'm going to outline all of them and rank them 1 to 8. This is a special. So let's run through these miners. We're going to start with the indoor radiation miner. You receive a Geiger counter, which tells you the radiation levels of the place that you're in. And because it gets onboarded onto the ecosystem, they can take the data. And that's what they're looking to sell in their project. You receive 647 Fry's crypto tokens for this, and this is $200 before discount. You have the indoor air quality miner, which at $150 minus the discount, $97, is going to earn you the same amount. Which, of course, if you're familiar with PlanetWatch, you'll notice that it is something which goes in your house. It will measure the air quality in your home through different levels, and so it's something that you can actually use yourself. The energy miner is a smart plug, so you can actually utilize it, but it does monitor your energy levels, and that's something which they'll be able to utilize, and that's why they're onboarding it at $150 before the discount. We have the outdoor air quality monitor, which is one of the most expensive, and it earns you the same amount as $150 item. So this is one of those which you would rather take if you wanted to make benefit of the actual product. And then you've got the outdoor water quality miner, which at $150 before the discount is earning 647 Fry's tokens, which is about $1.8 a day. To add here is that the shipping for me is free as I'm based in the United Kingdom. Now, I tried going on here and typing in the United States, for example, and the shipping over there was also free. So I'm going to just click New York, and you can see that it's also free. But some of the users have commented that the delivery charges are different. So for example, if I type in New Zealand, you can see that the price of shipping slowly rises to $150, which then makes it a $247 investment. So this is something that I want to include for transparency. I've edited the old video and put this in because I don't want it to be a clickbait. It is, in fact, the price is $97 if you're in the United Kingdom, if you're in the United States, and there are some other countries wherein it's a free delivery. But if you're not in those states, then maybe I would suggest, if you can afford it, and then to take that into account. If not, then there are plenty of other project options available for you. Now, I've listed all of these together on a sheet, and if you want access to all of this documentation, I've got a link in the description. It's going to send you to my free resources folder. That's going to include this PDF, which is my top 15 passive crypto miners, my deep in projects of 2024. It's going to include this Excel sheet that you can edit to your liking, which will include all of the projects and any more that you wish. There'll be a separate tab here for Fry Foundation. And it will also include a list of all of my referral codes, as I have a ton of them that will save you a lot of money. And I've also got all of the bookmarks that I've put together and a video on how to import them as well. So you can make use of that. And that also includes a bonus crypto project. You can see I've got the Fry Weather Miner at a cost of $227, which is earning $108 a month at an ROI of 63 days. I put that as number one. But the new indoor quality miner and the outdoor water quality miner, both coming in at $97 after the discount code, is earning $54 a month. That's a 54-day ROI. So provided the price stays the same, provided that you get your tokens and you're verified, you're going to get your money back in 2 months. Thereafter, you're riding free. And you've got an air quality miner, something that you can utilize for yourself. You then got the energy miner, which again at $97 is getting you $41 a month. But you can see here that the energy miner at $97 is getting you $41 a month. The radiation miner at $130 is also getting you $54 a month. So these new miners, at least 4 of them, are going to be more profitable than the wildlife camera, the bandwidth miner, the satellite miner, and the low-end miner. If you're looking to utilize these projects anyway, they're a cheap alternative that you can make the most of. If you were to invest in all of the projects, and I'm not advising anyone to do this, none of this is financial advice, it would cost you $1,194. That's over a $600 discount if you use the code, and you'll be earning $476 provided that you're verified. So your ROI would be around 4 months. This is a short video, and it's not as fancy as my other videos, but it's just been released and it's on pre-order. I don't know how long the prices are going to be slashed and discounted for, as they are here for a short period of time. My pick is going to be in terms of the cheapest and best return, is the indoor air quality miner. As mentioned here, at $97 price, is earning you $54 a month, and you'll be ROIing in over 54 days. That's it for this video. I'm going to come back with my usual content on a weekly basis. You're going to be seeing it every Saturday, where I'll be releasing new projects, new miners. My next video is going to be the upcoming projects of 2024, so keep an eye out for that. Peace out from Passive Crypto Mining.